Good day guys and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to correct your sewing machine or how to change the rotation of the motor. So like this one now, as you can see, is going backward. So you want to change it now to start going forward. First, to make sure you unplug it from the light, and you make sure you remove any outstanding lights that is remaining. So guys, now to turn the rotation, what you do is to open the back like this. So most times you see that the thing has different wiring, but basically depends on how your motor has been before and who has touched it before. But basically what I want you to pay attention to is these coverings, these three coverings on the wiring, these basic three coverings on it. So now on these three coverings, you notice that the first one, which is the one going to the capacitor, is this is the capacitor. This wiring is coming to this place. One is joining with a wire that goes into the industrial motor. The second thing you pay attention to is the one that is coming from the power socket, that's the power outlet, which is this. One of it is, so first of all, what we are working on is this one and this one, which is these two wiring connections that has three wires each. You will notice it when you observe your machine very well. You see that it has 3 wires. If it doesn't have it, then I think your wiring or the working on the motor has gone a very long way. So now this is 3 wires, this is 3 wires. So the one we are going to be touching, or let me first tell you the ones we are not going to be touching. This wire is coming from the outlet, which is the power outlet, this particular blue and this particular brown. So this blue and brown coming from the power outlet. Your own wire might be different colors, but pay attention to the one coming from the power supply. Is that you are not going to touch it. So we uncover this. So right now, the wire again, that is the second wire that is coming from the capacitor to this place, you won't touch it. Are you getting me? Now the capacitor wire, one is going to a two wire connection that is going into the motor. You won't touch it. The second wire of the capacitor is coming to a 3 wire connection, which is what you're not also going to touch. So now you leave that wire that has come from the power outlet and the capacitor together. Then we lose this other wire to get out of it. This is the ones that rotates the motor. Is that clear? So now in this particular place now, we have 3 wires also. 2 is coming from inside the machine and 1 is coming from the power outlet. So right now you lose it out, and then you take this blue one coming from the inside of this place, not the one from the power socket. You match this to this other first 2, and then you match this yellow to this connection here. It's as simple as that. So let's try it and see what we'll have. Remember, I took this yellow from this place, from this capacitor connection. Then these other ones, the capacitor and the power sockets or the power outlet, I'll join it with this blue cable. So you have to be very careful when you are doing this wiring or connection. You have to make sure you pay close attention to every details of this video. If you have any question or you don't understand anything, I would like you to rewatch the video again, pay close attention and get the details before you uh, connect your wire. So now we plug back the machine to the electric socket, and then you pay close attention now to the motor, which is now going forward. In the first time it was going backward, right? So right now it's going forward. So that is how to work on your machine motor, the rotation. So in case whatever you want to touch, you unplug and make sure the machine is silent before you touch any wire. So please be very, very careful when doing this. And I think this is the end of the video. So have a nice day. Any questions, you can drop it in the comment section and I will answer you. Subscribe to this channel, guys. Have a blessed day.